This is just a short little video. I've just repaired my whale water inlet for the motorhome. Now then, some of you know, I don't know what's up with my focus, but my phone's not. That's better. Right, so inside here there should be a diaphragm and I can't locate one on eBay. The diaphragm's packed in. Also, that little thing in the bottom with holes wasn't there, so I've cut that with my K40. That's glued in because I don't want that to move. The second part was part of a rubber inner tube, which well, readily available, the flattest part, so it's pretty flat. So that goes in there. It's difficult with one hand. That goes in there, that goes on top, and then that goes on top of that to hold it all in place, and it works absolutely brilliant. I'll just assemble it. So that's it all in place. So your rubber gasket, that half moon blue piece of plexi perspex, and the top to stop it all from coming out. Now when you blow down there, it allows the flap to open, which lets water in, and then it closes with the back pressure there, which pushes that out and turns the micro switch on, which turns off the pump. I can't show you it working, but if you can hear me, I'll blow and then suck, said the vicar. That's blowing, and it works absolute treat, and I bet that works better than original. Obviously some of you see my laser cutter, but yeah, that's basically parts. Bit of plexi, a bit of that. Absolute brilliant. Job's a good one. Saved me around about 30-40 quid for a new inlet with a micro switch attached. Hope that's helped some people. If anybody actually want a kit for this, not that you will, just get in touch with me and I can knock one together. Thanks for watching. It is a short video, but might help somebody. Oh, by the way, this is for the camper van.